Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I just had the most fascinating conversation with a friend who's been doing it for months, and I'm convinced it's worth sharing. Apparently, the gelatin trick is all about simplicity, requiring just three basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen: gelatin, water, and lemon juice. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's been a game changer for her daily routine, and I have to admit, I'm intrigued. The idea is that by combining these three ingredients in a specific way, you can create a powerful tool to help your body feel more balanced and refreshed. I've been looking into the gelatin trick, and it seems that the key is in the way the gelatin interacts with your digestive system, helping to soothe and nourish it. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how to get started, I've got you covered. Just head to the link in my description to learn more about this simple yet effective ritual. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment below, where I'll be sharing some additional tips and insights about the gelatin trick.